but I think that's a lot. I mean, whatever I'm doing in Bangalore, it's with the help of Prince and Anudeep. So we're all doing it together. So just wanted to talk about my experience. When initially Prince asked on our group if there are people who want to join, I was not very sure, and I was not very sure because I have a 11-month-old daughter. I'm working from home, and there's a lockdown, so triple bonanza everywhere. So quite tough to make out time. But I thought this is the time to be kind. I mean, if you're not kind now, if you don't make out time now, I don't know what will happen. And advantage uthana chahiye. Husband bhi BIT ka hai, so he can take care of the baby when I do this. So yeah, we are not doctors, but I think in the last 2-3 weeks we have learned about concentrators, cylinders, किसको कब देना है, क्यों देना है, कब hospitalize करना चाहिए, किस SpO2 में hospitalization होना चाहिए, ICU होना चाहिए, सब समझ आ गया. And other than that, I think we are providing mental support to the attendants. We've realized over time that mostly people are lost. They don't know what to do next. And I think one of our major duties is to be that trusted friend and help them remain calm and take the best decision for their families. So I would just like to state an example of Bangalore incident that happened last week. We were looking for a bed. We were looking for a bed for someone for almost 2 days. We were not getting it. Attendant the attendant had almost given up. He was not responding well to our calls, and we didn't know what to do next. We knew we had to search for a bed, but how do we go about it? So then me and Anudeep, we got on a conference call with the attendant. We discussed, we tried to probe very calmly, softly to understand what are his challenges. And we realized that his challenges were many. I mean, he didn't even have a doctor who could tell him कि उनके पापा के साथ क्या problem हो रहा है. And the problem started from there to financial issues to everything else. So within that day, Anudeep was able to manage a bed for him in one of the hospitals. Prince was able to get a doctor on board who could tell him kya chal raha hai, kya problem hai. And then within the next day, we were also able to shift him to a government hospital because financial issues were also a thing. So I think, yeah, a lot of it is understanding all the multiple challenges that they're facing and then solving all of them. Last thing, I'm impressed by this power of we, the amazing power of we, because I mean, I haven't really been active in Bitosa for a long time now. But yes, this time it has shown me the power of this group, and I can sleep peacefully thinking that if anything happens to my near and dear ones, there are people who will go out of their way to help. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Tridisha.